Hello everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. And thank you for watching. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like more content like this. Anyway, so this is another video on my live streaming TV. So my first video, it was about Gears TV and how they went out of business. So now I have a new streaming TV. It's called Pub TV. So what happened is Gears TV emailed me with a either Gears TV or no, it wasn't Gears TV, but it was the MTV Pro Netcast company. So they emailed me and they told me that, you know, it's sorry for their convenience, and they offered this app right here called Pub TV, and they sent me a link on my email. So I went to my downloader and I downloaded this app from the downloader. They gave me the link and everything, and they gave me, so now I have Pub TV. So yeah, so if anyone that has Gears TV, that had Gears TV, that don't have it now, you can get this Pub TV. They should have sent you a link in your email. So this is what it looks like. So you have all your channels. You have UFC fights. So yeah, this is all the channels. Let me scroll down. So yeah, these are the channels. They have a lot of channels. And then mainly they have the channel that I have, that I scrolled through already, which is ESPN, NBA TV, which is my favorite, and a host of channels that they have. Cinemax, as you see, NBC, CNN, Comedy Central. Let me just scroll down so you can see. I'm just going to scroll down and see all the channels. Disney, for your kids, if you have kids, they have the Disney channels.
She pretty much collapsed onto the stool down, and her posture was terrible, really. Not giving herself an opportunity to breathe. She did. But then again, you know, towards the end of that round, when we thought she was spent, she was able to get a takedown. So we can't count her out. But Marion Renault certainly looks like
Fox
the pressure
Sports,
fighter.
so they have the Fox
She was
Sports
certainly
channels.
the first off her stool and across in the octagon. But again, look
They
at
have
that.
the Food Network.
Lisa Bernardo with the takedown.
Like the Food Channel.
Marion Renault has to work here. She can let this round slip away if she stays on her back.
All the Fox Sports channels. They have FX.
Without a doubt.
Can't just hold.
HBO.
To pass one of those legs through the defenses of Bernardo.
So yeah, they have a lot of channels.
An elbow there from Talita Bernardo. Certainly
It's
got
kind
a
of similar to Gears TV.
And a cut.
Pretty similar. Baseball Network.
The left eye of Marion Renault from that elbow.
All the New York channels, MSG,
MTV,
MTV, National Geographic,
oh, look at this.
and NBA
TV. This is where Petit comes into play.
It's a good triangle setup as well, Dan.
So yeah,
Got to get the foot deeper.
yeah, Nickelodeon. So they have pretty much a lot of the channels that they had on Gears TV, and it's the same price, which is great. They have different prices based on your package, but it's basically the same price, like $20 per month, and you can get it taken out automatically. So yeah, I am so thankful. It's Thanksgiving, and I'm thankful that I have a new streaming TV that I can get all my channels that I like. So there you have it, everyone. This is called Pub TV. Yeah. So I hope you like this. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a great Thanksgiving. Peace, love, and positive vibrations. Have a great day. Enjoy your family today. Enjoy. Hopefully you'll be able to get this Pub TV and you'll be back in business. All right. Peace and love.